fundamental operations in mathematics. 1. Addition. 2. Subtraction. 3. Multiplication. 4. Division. Addition. Addition is a very simple operation because while adding, we can change the order of addends in any way, but the sum is always the same. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Addend plus addend is equal to sum. Adding or inculcating the values and virtues by seeing others' specialities, not seeing the weakness of others, will increase our value. This is very simple and easy way to become morally rich. It is said, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. Let us add the sum of 489, 643 and 321. In the addends in the first column, we get 9 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 13. So, the place value of 10 goes to the next addition of 80 plus 40 plus 20 equal to 140 plus 10. And also the 100 goes to next 400 plus 600 plus 300 plus 100 equal to 1400. Like the properties of additions, if we have more virtues and values by inculcating through seeing the specialities of others, it will naturally influence others and inspire others by our good behavior and character. Subtraction. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. For each and every addition, we can write a two related subtraction fact. 4 plus 8 equal to 12 are an addition fact. Let us see the two related subtraction facts. If 4 plus 8 equal to 12, then 12 minus 4 equal to 8 and 12 minus 8 equal to 4. For example, 4 plus 8 equal to 12 are an addition fact. Let us see the two related subtraction facts. If 4 plus 8 equal to 12, then 12 minus 4 equal to 8 and 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. If we inculcate the vices or bad habits from others by seeing their weakness, naturally our status will fall or decrease like subtracting a negative number from a positive number. Reduces the value of positive number in the final result. There are two facts in this moral aspect. Irrespective of whether we are inculcating the vices from others or giving inspiration to others to do bad or evil thing, the result will be same, that is degradation of our moral values. If we subtract 0 from any number, the difference or the answer is the number itself. For example, 364 minus 0 is equal to 364. 83,745 minus 0 is equal to 83,745. One cannot observe or inculcate the negativities, that is vices or bad things, from God, as He has only all divine qualities and virtues. He is the wealthiest person in the world and perfect in all aspects. If we subtract a number of same value from the same value number, we get 0 as the difference. For example, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 567 minus 567 is equal to 0. No one will reach the perfect status like 0 unless and until he or she has settled or erased all his or her vices, negative karmic accounts, which has been acquired over the past as a result of interaction with people and nature. Almost all the religions believe that there is a final judgment or settlement of all our past karmic accounts in front of the Supreme Judge. In subtraction, we cannot rearrange the addends or subtract by changing the order of addends like addition. For example, 45 minus 22 is 23. If we rearrange the addends, 22 minus 45, the result will not be the same. How can our stage of peace and happiness be affected by seeing weakness of others? If we inculcate or observe the negativity from others, our moral status or value will decrease, because the one who influenced us to do sins are already having negativities, whether it may be in the form of worst behavior or character. So the morally wealthy person is always affected by the vicious person, if he is influenced by them, like the higher value number will be affected by negative low value number. In subtraction, we subtract smaller number from the higher number. If the place value of a digit in smaller number is greater than the greater number, then we regroup tens and ones in the minuend. We subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds. For example, let us take the number 3286 and 1247. We cannot subtract 7 ones from 6, so we regroup tens and ones in the minuend. Here, to find out the difference between the above numbers, we need the support of higher numbers, like the child which needs the support of elders. So the morally rich people can help or guide others. Since the subtraction operation is the inverse operation of addition, we can verify the answers with the help of addition. We cannot verify the answer of addition with the help of subtraction. For example, let us subtract 22 from 33. Here, 33 minus 22 is equal to 11. So 11 plus 22 is equal to 33. The inculcation of positive qualities will help to remove the negativities. Negativities, character or bad habits never help to inculcate positive qualities of divine virtues and moral values. Multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but a simple and short form of addition of one and the same number several times. A change in the order of the factors does not change the product. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 4 times 3. That is, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Factor into factor is equal to product. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Another example. Let us see an example of two numbers, 124 and 42. 124 into 42, multiplying by 2, 248. Multiplying by 4 is 496. Adding 1 and 2, we get 5208. If we do the same action again and again, then that action becomes habit or forms our character. So through adding or inculcating the moral values or better actions, one's moral status will increase to Mahatma, or multiplying all divine virtues and powers, one can become worship worthy like a deity. Multiplication always needs the support of addition, because multiplication is nothing but the simplest and shortest form of addition. If we multiply any number with 0, then the product of the sum is also 0. For example, 7 into 0 is equal to 7 times 0. If we inculcate virtues and powers of God, then we will become worship worthy like God and will attain the stage of perfection. 0 by multiplication converts every number to itself. By no means does it get converted into them. That is, when 0 is multiplied with some number, that number also becomes 0. So, God also converts all more or less to His nature when multiple number of times they come into contact with Him. Division. Division is a simplified form of subtraction of one and the same number several times, because multiplication and division are inverse operation. For example, divide 12 by 4. That is, how many times can 4 be subtracted repeatedly from 12? "12 divided by 4 plus 0 is equal to 3. Dividend divided by divisor plus remainder is equal to quotient." As we know that if we want to check the answer of the given division, then we will have to see the remainder. If it is 0, then the quotient is perfect. The 0 gives us the perfect solution, like God solves all our problems. The remainder of 0 always reminds us the solution are perfect whole numbers.